In this overview, we're going to cover the Charge Analysis Report. This is located in the billing portal in the lower left-hand corner. Immediately when we open the billing portal, this will take us to the Revenue Cycle Summary page. The Charge Analysis Report is located in the left-hand navigation pane under the reporting header. We're going to click directly on it to open the Charge Analysis Report. When we open this, we'll be first prompted to set some search parameters for this. We use the charge analysis to run a charge analysis based off of CPT code or charges, and then we can break it out by service location, payer, financial class, etc. The default when we open this report is going to be for the current month. We can choose to run this based off of service date, or we can run it based off of post date. In most cases, we'll want to run this by date of service, and we'll want to include allowed amounts as well as display zero charges. We can set some search filters on here if we want to pare down the report. In most cases, we don't want to set those on the front end, and then we can additionally drill down into each of those. However, if we really want to laser in on certain report criteria, we can set those filters down below. We can navigate left and right with this left hand and right hand navigation toolbar. To run this report, we're going to go ahead and click the search button. When I run this report, we're going to see the same exact dollar amount of charges. We'll see it's consistent in each one of these tiles, but we break it out into different categories depending on how we want to digest that information. We have financial class, service location, code class, payer total, or rendering provider. So depending on how we would like to see this information, we can break it out accordingly. To see the details within any of these reports, all I need to do is either right-click within the tile, or I can go to this little button here in the upper right corner to see the detailed view. In this case, I would like to see it broken out by provider. In this detail view, I'm looking at the provider details, and we'll see it broken down here by Adams and by Deedson. This is now going to show me each of the procedures within there, what the RVUs are in there, how many times we charge that out, as well as the charge amount, the allowed amount, and any adjustments that were done. I can then export this to Excel with the export button. I can print this report, or I can get a procedure export to Excel as well. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. If I want to rerun this report at any time and change the criteria, we can do this by going up to the dates that we've set here. I'm going to click directly on this, and this will reopen the search options window. I can then redefine the criteria and hit the search button to rerun this report. This concludes our overview of the Charge Analysis Report.